Strategy blows every other digital asset treasury holding company away. They have 738,000 Bitcoin. It'll probably be 760,000 Bitcoin or something next week. They had an absolutely epically big week this week. They bought probably 20 or 30,000 BTC this week. We'll get the final numbers from Michael Saylor on Monday, but it's absolutely nuts. Next biggest one is Marathon Holdings at 54,000 Bitcoin approximately. They have grown their stack 8x in 4 years. Okay, 52 billion worth of Bitcoin at current prices, and they're not stopping. They're buying billions every week. But wait a second. Where are you finding millions and billions of dollars per week to buy more Bitcoin? It's a good question. Where is the infinite money glitch? Where the fuck does this money come from? Well, where is they getting their money at, man? Well, look, each week Strategy prints and sells into the market new shares of their common stock, MSTR, and their preferred stocks, STRC, STRD, STRK, and STRF. They then use the proceeds of that to buy more Bitcoin, okay? What do you mean by print and sell to the market? Well, stock world's a funny place. You can just issue more shares out. They create new shares out of thin air and dilute current holders and then sell them into the market at current market rates, okay? Now, the total dilution numbers, not that extreme for MSTR. It's about 10% dilution, which is currently approved by the board. Outstanding MSTR shares are up 3.5x in 4 years, though. They might say, that's a lot of dilution, Lark. Well, yeah, but then you got to think from 2022 until the peak for MSTR, it went up 36x. 36x, and the dilution meant nothing. Nothing. Not saying it's going to do a 36x again, necessarily, but could I see it doing a 10x next time? Yeah. STRC shares are up 27% in 7 months. Now, this is it doesn't really matter. We're just mentioning it here because it's actually showing demand for the STRC product. See, STRC has a target price of $100. When it trades above $100, they sell to get it back down to $100, essentially. This is the one that pays out 11.5% annual yield. It's crazy. Just vibe out here real quick, guys.